Okay, it looks like we're live. It's the first time I have ever streamed on YouTube, so, congratulations to me. And it looks like that we're pretty good here. So we have a few tests to do. The first one is that we need to clean up some dependencies. The first thing we're going to do here is, oh god. The first thing we're going to do here is that the folder color has a bunch of extra dependencies that aren't really needed. So we're just going to go remove that extra stuff, because then it puts in a lot of extra other stuff like extra file roller software, and that adds on to extra disk space of things that we don't need. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of all the folder color packages, just like so. That's great. Okay. Oh. Full layer color. Now we'll do it. Okay. So we're just gonna remove this, and we can see all the extra stuff that we don't really need. Like, is this even needed? So that's the type of stuff that we're gonna be removing today. I'm probably going to try to remove all this Nemo extension FMA stuff, and I'm only going to limit it to the folder color common and the Nemo-extension-FMA. That should be the only type of stuff that we need. So let's just run sudo apt remove. Now we can remove all the extra junk, and now let's go play around the dependencies. So our new dependencies are, does it need Nemo Python or just Python Nemo? I need like a, where's Gustavus's GitHub? Okay, here we go. Gustavus folder color. I should actually really start this if I want to, not lose it. Okay. Oh, yay, an issue. Oh, keyboard shortcuts. Yeah, that's gonna be complicated. I'm not gonna worry about that. Okay, so if we go to Debian control, here's where, like, when you look at it, it only says here that it needs like the Python packages, but for the Nemo stuff, where it gets more in depth, that's where things start to change up a little. So let's just jump into our Nemo simulation real quick. And as you can see, we cannot change the color, any folder color. So, oh, he did send me a deb that he was making. Let's just take it from the Launchpad repo, because I think that's where we're probably going to find it better. Or best. I don't know. Okay, let's look for folder color. It's probably here somewhere. Yeah, there. He technically migrated, but it's fine. So, okay, yeah, so he's still uploading. That's good. That's good, good. Yes, let's just check our build dependencies, make sure that's good. It should, yeah, Python just details extra. Okay, oh, that's the wrong folder color. Oh, oops. Ugh, where's the Launchpad? Okay, is there like a, wait, okay, Debian control. I'm looking for the PPA, not like a whole let's try adding the dashes in Nemo. Here's where we're probably gonna get stuff. I mean, it sort of helps, but I mean, okay, here it is. This is the repo that we want. Oh, we can even copy packages. To my repo. Alright, here's the latest one, the one that basically everybody uses. This one just, yeah. Okay, so let's just look at, I think the tar will be the closest that we're gonna get. Here's a diff, but that shouldn't matter. Okay, let's check that. My hideous other projects. But it's only showing Nautilus, that's the... Alright, here we go. Folder color Nemo. Okay. Okay, this should be the focal... Okay, it was copied, then rebuilt. Okay, whatever. Shouldn't matter. Here's the correct one. And our dependencies are... So, yeah, that's it. That's literally it. Python Nemo, folder color common. Okay, that is wonderful. Nemo Python. That's all it was, right? Yeah. Okay. Alright. Now, assuming this works, it's gonna go update this changelog. Okay. Okay, let's give this a shot. Alright, let's go on with it. Okay, let's see what happens. What's that? Okay, that shouldn't matter. Okay, oh god. Oh god, what happened to the mist depends? That's important. It's over there. Yeah, linting is weird. Like the ads that fill just, it's crazy. I don't think all this will really matter. It's not really a big problem. Well, I mean, it doesn't really matter. Shouldn't be a problem. Just run the install already. Luckily, folder color common is already in the Ubuntu repos. Oh, and there we go, it's already set. Now, let's go refresh our Nemo, and it should be fixed. That's wonderful. It's so weird, like, there's other extra dependencies. I don't know where it is. Like, for example, Python, Nemo. But it might need the latest one. That's probably what it wants. Because it needs the latest folder color. Common, not just any old random folder color common. I'm just jumping around. I can't remember where everything is. So bad. Woo-hoo-hoo. A dangerous repository. Ooh, Telegram about. That's nice. That's wonderful. That's great. I can't review anything anymore. Alright, okay. Go, 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 go. The focal fossa. You can never trust the focal fossa. You know nothing. You know nothing. Oh, that worked well. Okay, well at least there was a new updated one. Oh, there it is. Yay. Alright, woohoo. Okay. So it needs like the latest folder color common, clearly. So we can actually fix the dependency for that. It's something like, I think it's something like, has to be at greater than or equal to, 0.86 dash Ubuntu 3. We're just gonna see if that will work. I'm not really sure. It's not really the best of smart ideas, but it's worth a shot. Alright, let's see what happens. Let's see if it accepts it. It probably will. But I'm gonna get into LinkedIn here. Oh! Okay. Okay, so let's just, have some fun. Just remove all that. And then we're gonna, and we already have the package, and we'll see, what the Debian, what dpackage says when I try to install the new package. Oh, okay, perfect. Yep, alright. Alright, we Gucci. We Gucci. Alright, that should be that. How about we just say fix, alright, clear dependencies, and that would say, yeah, clear unneeded dependencies, and then we're gonna say, dependency for correct dependency version for folder color common. Alright, there we go. And we might as well just update the time. It's 12:48:35. Alright. And now we're in the groove. Yeah, it's like, I don't understand any of that. It's like, well, I know some of them, but just, I mean, it's weird. Some... Hello. Alright, oops, okay, git tag 0.1, git push origin 0.1. Alright, git add -a, git commit -m, fix dependencies, just to keep it simple. Push origin master. Okay. Now, let's get out of here, and let's upload the package. Alright, perfect. And that is one down. Alright, now, oh, right, okay. Alright, now we have to go to layout. Wait, I just want to check the quality of the image real quick. The new, I updated the image, this one. Okay, that's good. Compared to all the other images, well, yeah, it's pretty good. Okay. Next is layout. I need to fix, the Cupertino Plink thing. It needs to stick with the GDK. Like, I'm not really sure if that really does anything, so I need to play around. It's a good thing I have my Mac, which I can screw around with right next to me. Switch it to the traditional. Okay. Turn on the panel layout. Okay, Cinnamon, I got accepted. Hooray. Panel layout. Okay, so then, oh wait, no, I should be running this in terminal. So, like, I believe, like, the Plink, for some reason, its automatic default is sort of weird. Like, so I think that it's in the, net launchpad Plink. Now, let me look for the theme, because the theme, GDK Plus. But it says it's not available. Oh, that will do. Oh. Well, I mean, it worked here. I mean, the current value is GTK Plus. Alright, this is sort of a little... Oh, okay. My Plink just died. So I know that you guys can't see what I'm doing, but right now I'm looking at, like, this, and this is very weird, because I think that the theme clearly changed. I got my mouse right here, and we're gonna go fix that. Preferences. So right now, I'm just gonna go look at the dock, and I just want to check the dock to make sure that. Oh, I had it. Okay, perfect. Preferences. So the theme is currently Ubuntu Mate. We're gonna set it to GDK Plus. Now. Go check the decomp editor, because there's something wrong with that schema right there. In this case, theme is GDK plus. But it says it doesn't exist. And it's sort of weird. But I mean, something like zoom for all the strings, like, we'll just say something like, what if it's for an integer? It's just a number. It's like it already says how to do it, but the problem is, like, it's not really helpful. Well, we tried, but for the best, we're just gonna let it go. Just gonna let it slide. God. Actually, for the desktop recommends, should we, I mean, you know, I don't think it'll be a problem. No need to, go extra pain for just one line. And okay, so Calamars is pretty good. Cinnamon folder color is pretty good. ISO builder is pretty good. I think that there's a few things we can do. We can try to play around with the Ubuntu Latte's coloring tool. Which might be a good idea. So let's do it. I don't know what to do anymore. Oh my god, I don't know what to do anymore. Okay. So let's just start with the 2004 development. Let's go to our art package. Okay, dear lord. Oh, because I haven't started the changes yet. Alright, let's go start the replace changes. Search in folder. Okay, find in project. Cinnamon. And we're being case sensitive here. Actually, no. Budgie. Okay, Budgie. Here it is. Cinnamon. Here we go. Next is Ubuntu Budgie, and we're just gonna replace that with Ubuntu Cinnamon. No, couldn't find any. Alright, this should clear things up a little bit, but I'm gonna try to work on the submodules. So if we go to artwork, get submodule. So let's see how this works. We need to clear the submodule clearly. So get submodule help. Oh, great. You really make things easy. I try dash remove. Oh, okay, thank you. Move, let's say Pokilo. It's just like init summary remove. Okay. I don't think it's worth dealing with that. I'd rather start extras. So, yeah, let's start with the extras package, I guess. I don't want to deal with extra pain. So, okay, so I need to go to, let's go to the repo here, and we're gonna make a new, let's go switch accounts, actually. Wait, 1 second. Okay. Let's go to, okay, new repository. It's gonna be here. I think instead of calling it Cinnamon Extras or Ubuntu Cinnamon Extras, I mean, I don't want to get confused. I think it's better to just call it Ubuntu Cinnamon Extras. Extras slash spices and themes for the Cinnamon desktop. Alright. Alright, here is our new, beautiful, and ugly repository. Okay, so let's go collect some new stuff. Oh, actually, I really need to initialize it. Let's go add some quick stuff real quick. Settings. I shouldn't have added those get ignore and stuff. Just to, you know, get stuff there. Manage access, webhooks, notifications, integrations, deploy keys, secrets, actions, security alerts. Okay, god damn it. Okay, it's a little annoying. We'll just ignore it. So, I mean, it's like just create a new file. It's not really that hard. I'm just gonna say, oh, God. Alright, you know what? I put myself in this pain. Goodbye. Okay, never mind. Or, you know, I just kind of copied and pasted, but... You is available. Okay, so this is how to read me. Get ignore, we don't really need one. License out, I'm just gonna say that. That will just be that. Just keep it simple, keep it easy. Now I got some code. Great. Okay, so I'm just gonna tell the stream so it's more, you know, for what we're doing. Alright. Here we go. I think that'll probably do it. It's pretty funny that I really have no idea how to change it, but I think we'll be fine. I'll change this, yeah. Changes automatically save. Okay, let's go import some repositories. So let's clone this repository. Let's go clone the Budgie Access repository. This way we can have some, you know, shows, you know, some examples. Yeah, extras is like, it's a big boy. Okay. So here we got all of the stuff here, and then how is this even built? I don't even know how that's built. I'm not lying. I have no idea how that's built. Isn't there like a Debian somewhere? Like a Debian... Oh yeah, I think that they made a separate branch for that. If I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I swear. There's a branch called like Debian or something. Yeah, like Debian-focal. Yeah, and that just contains the Debian thing. So, okay, yeah, they make it pretty easy so we can just see all the code that we need. And then, we can quickly access what we need. Alright, so let's go to Cinnamon Spices. Here we go. So this is the official mirror for add-ons, extensions, Cinnamon, blah blah blah. So it looks like that we have plugins. Do we even have some extra themes? I don't think we have extra themes. It's pretty cute. I know. So let's start with, are the themes really needed? I mean, it doesn't look like I have themes. But I mean, if we did themes, that'll just make things like 10 times more complicated. Like, all the code in here is just basically just, you know, how you would build it and everything. So let's go straight to the applets. Okay, this is the first one we're gonna add. The spices update. This one I feel is an important one. And I think it's pretty clear to know why this is an important one. It's pretty self-explanatory. Oh my god, just extract it. Okay, looks like we're gonna have to hire. Alright, thank you. So technically all of these are, well, they're all just extra stuff that's owned by Budgie, and I think that we're probably just gonna keep it and keep the name the way it is, so we can keep it this way. Let's take a look at the readme of this. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is the version that we want. Never mind, I'm so sorry. Goodbye. Spices update, clock stuff, zip. Okay. Here's the updated one. Okay. So I don't know exactly how you could reply it, but it said how you can easily, you know, I mean, does it tell me how to build it? I would say that I should not worry about the build, and for now I should just focus more on the what can you like put into it. So here's 4.2, and here's where all the code is. And I'm not gonna worry about the Debian packaging for now. I feel like that's a big thing, and it looks like that it's pretty easy. I mean, since all the extensions are run by Budgie, it's very easy here. Like here, there will be all these beautiful stuff. Wait, is this just for the Budgie, or is it for like literally everything? And it's for literally everything. I don't want to deal with this. Alright, well, yeah, we're probably doing this a little differently. It's fine. Oh, they also got a GitHub. That's nice. I'm not gonna deal with the submodules. I don't know if I want to do submodules. I don't know if it's a good idea or not. Alright. I got. My bad. Alright. Here we have the weather. What does the weather look like? Well, I mean, it's not terrible. Let's see if there's any other places where it says to download besides that one little button. No, just fork. Okay, these are just comments. Alright, great. So I don't really know if there's a limit on how many extensions we can have. So here's the thing. It's all basically the same thing. However, some of them have language support, others don't, but all of them do. It's gonna be pretty interesting because some of them do have that. Okay, whatever. Q Redshift. Ooh. I like this. Alright, let's see if there's any other place that we can download from. What's the difference? I think it's the same place, but we might as well just, you know, be safe. If it says, if it's the same link, isn't it? It is. There we go, and extract here. I have a CPU temperature indicator. I don't think I should have to worry about that, so we're just gonna let it slide. Here's Cinvi Stark menu. Okay, so there is issues with core dumping here, but I think that it's probably a good idea to just keep it because it's still maintained well. Oh, Rocco. You interviewed. Nice. Alright, so GitHub. No. I think that let's just keep it simple. Place it here. Also, the extensions from layout. Launchers, menu. Where are they? Install files, icons, extensions. No, that better not be it. Okay. Look at all this amazing stuff. Okay, watch this. Copy. Paste. Oh my god. I feel so terrible. Collapsible chain. We got the triangle. We got the place bookmark. Here's an extension thing. You can just copy that, I guess, and put it here. Okay, here's transparent panel. Okay. Collapsible sys-tray. Ooh, we're definitely gonna go. I don't really think it's needed. But I mean, I have no idea. It seems fine. People do have issues, of course, but integrate share icons seamlessly into their desktop and allowing you to hide icons you really need. It's like people are going to enable like 500 of them. I don't really think it's a big issue, but I mean, I can see them piling up over time and extending all the way down to the menu. I mean, look at this. This is just 4 icons. Here's 5. It's pretty nice. And alright, I think we're just going to go with it because it... I mean, for something good like this. Oh... Oh, wow, okay, we already have it. System monitor. No. Now I want caps lock with notifications. I just don't like it. But I mean, you can choose. And then the color picker, and that's probably gonna, we're probably just gonna stop here because I don't want to go too far. You know what I mean? Doesn't really have much information, so I don't know how we're going to be able to give credit, but there's Q Redshift and there's Redshift. What is the difference? So what makes this different? So Q Redshift. Oh, it says with Redshift. Okay. Like, what's the difference between that and that? Q-Red. No, nobody mentions it. I don't get the difference. I wish I knew what the difference was. It's like here is a more modern, but I mean, wouldn't it be fine here? Like, That's because it could set the brightness and gamma levels. But I mean, okay, well. I mean, it allows you to change the temp. I think that one is fine. I don't think it shouldn't matter. I mean, is there any reason not to use Q Redshift? Because they both, like, all the extensions will use JavaScript, so it makes no difference. Here's something more. Like, this is Places Center. It's called, like, we're not going to go beyond the last page, because otherwise it's just too much. Too much is not good. There's screenshot and record. No point. I don't see any point. We already have that. Here's places. This should probably not really matter. But what's the difference between that and the other one that we looked at? No, the other one. Places censor. The menu looks a little more organized and just upwards. Give me more appeal, it seems like the other one, so try with that. But this is probably like the same type of process that Budgie went through or something. But I mean, they already make it, so it doesn't matter. Alright, it is Desklets time. Woohoo. Let's actually take it from the top just so we don't. Oh boy. Reddit reader. Yeah, that's wonderful. We're totally gonna add that. I'm being sarcastic. Google Calendar. But then you need to install like that. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just can't anymore. Alright, here's disk space. It's not a bad idea. But then you need to install the font. I don't wanna go through font issues. Here's a note, just a bunch of lorem ipsums and there's various things. Here's developers tools. That doesn't really help us. But, like, we need to include one at least. Google Calendar is not bad. Let's just do all the ones that make sense, like the best of the best that we can find. I mean, the whole entire point of, like, the cinnamon spices is literally to make it look elegant. Like, make it fit with your feel. And that's the whole entire point. There you go. Disk space, already there. Wait, but then there's already a calendar desklet here. Stop. What the hell is that? No thank you. Here's notes. So let's try the notes. Okay, goodbye notes. Analog chronometer. I don't know what that is. Well, I mean, it's not a bad idea if someone wants to go for like the Vista style or the Longhorn style. Yeah, like I was considering maybe adding that to the layout. So we need that. That one's coming. Command result desklet. I wonder how this is gonna go. So a desklet that displays a command result. I want to say like more in action. Yeah, let's take a look at it when it's more in action. Command results desklet. Alright, so let's see how this works. Now I'm gonna have to mute it in case there's any copyright or I don't want to hide any sounds. Now this is the weather that's lit. But it doesn't really, I'm not really sure if you'll use it, that's the problem. So I mean, I don't really think that people really use it much, so you know, we're gonna let it pass. Here's like another calendar applet. Oh my god, these never end. Oh my god, these never end. What happens when you click on it? Oh my god. I thought we had more than Budgie, but Budgie has a hell lot of... Doing the copyright is gonna be such fun. Ooh, a desktop calculator. I like that one. That's funny. Here's CPU load. I mean, if we're gonna include the disk space, we included the disk space, right? We might as well just include this. Like, if we're including that, we're just gonna go include this at this point. Now, weather disklet. I think that people like this, and I don't see any reason not to include it. EBCWX. It's gonna appear as something else, so I'm not worried about it. Okay, so we're almost done. Here's a binary clock. Binary clocks are cool, except I can't understand them. I always wish I did. Already got an analog clock disklet. Here's a desktop calculator. I mean, that can be helpful, I guess. Oh god, I need to plug in. Alright, there we go. It's a real good thing that I did that. That I put in the oh shoot. I need to re-plug in my the physical charger. Well, I have other things that I have, and all that goes down. All right, there we go. Perfect. Now we are in. I'll re-put on my headphones. This is gonna take forever. This is such a waste of time. I don't know why I do this. Okay, perfect. Here's our desktop calculator. There we go. I think I don't really see much. There's a ping applet. Yeah, I don't really get the point of that. Soundbox. Ooh. It's not a bad idea. Again, Budgie has like 5,000. We have 6 months to implement it. Time and date disklet. Ooh. Don't we already have a time disklet? Oh god. Okay. We already just that one's a that one's a basic clock. That's not a bad idea, actually. Kind of like that one. Might be better than... Where's that other time and date disklet? But, oh my god. Okay, you know what? Pick one. Pick the simple one. Go with it. Oh my god. Yay. Okay, and we included the soundbox one, right? Yeah, I did, okay. Top. This one's probably, say, yeah. It's basically each top. On your desktop. No reason for that. Command of the day. No, that's quote of the day. No. Here's the desktop note disklet. I think we already got the notes. No. Gangene. Right, we're just gonna stop here. Oh, I don't know. Okay, whatever. That's enough. Let's go to the extensions. Hey, extensions. Yes, here we go. Here's where all the fun stuff happens. Alright, we already have transparent panels. I know that's a fact. Cinnamon Maximus. What does this do? Undecorate windows, it's maximized. I don't know what you mean, but it's too complicated because I don't know what it can do. Oh yes, the watermark. I like this one because it will actually show the It's pretty cool. I tried it out. It's going to show you a picture of something, like it might say the Ubuntu or the Plymouth right there in the middle, and you can change it if you want. So like you can edit it and stuff. It's pretty fun. I like it. Ooh, G-tile. Is this like tiling? Tile your windows as you like. I believe Cinnamon already has a good tiling system. Man, the tiling is not bad, and people always love tiling. Like, people think that tiling is, like, they find it pretty cool. And, tiling, people like to talk about tiling. Tiling is, like, always a big thing. It's a big thing that nobody really talks about. Here's a slider one. This one is totally happening because it looks sexy. It's gonna go on forever. Alright, we have wobbly window. Okay, no. That looks so weird. I know it's just gonna be like an effect, but just no. Oh my god, my friend wanted this. My friend wanted this. My friend wanted this. In 20.10, buddy. Because he was from Windows 10, and like it would show like that. It would be a little... Give him opacify windows a little. Oh, okay. We can also do that, I guess. So you know a little more. Create shadow. But just one is enough. So goodbye shadow parameters. I feel like I need it for that, but we'll try one. Desktop cube. Oh god, no. Blur overview. Ooh. Ooh, how does that work? Blur background. Okay, people, I don't know. Flipper. I don't know anymore. Negate window on, smart panel. Oh god. That one scares me. Switch between workspaces by scrolling double... I mean, it's not a bad idea. See what you mean, but it's... I don't know. Windows 7 Alt-Tab. Isn't there already an Alt-Tab extension for this? I swear this is. But, oh no, I'm thinking of GNOME. Workspace scroller. Oh god. You already have one workspace scroller. We don't need another one. Desktop icons per workspace. Oh. Set positions of desktop icons per workspace. Well, I mean, if you want to be more specific, I guess, it's not a bad idea. Okay, we're almost done. So we're gonna have just as much as Budgie and, we'll call it. Here's a desktop scroller. Switch between desktops by scrolling at the right. Nope. Workspace grid. Workspace names updater. Alright, take this one so people can easily switch workspaces, and we are done. Alright, let's compare. These are all the extensions we have, and Budgie has... They have less, actually. I mean, that's still a bunch. We're probably gonna have to eliminate things as time goes on, because all of these extensions I need to install and test it out. We can't have 50 of them. Do we even want to know how much this disk space this is? Oh my god. I mean, it hasn't changed much. Okay. Budgie is 635.1 megabytes. We have 30.9. Okay, that's a good enough amount compared to Budgie with 35.1, and they have extra files. We have a lot more, but it weighs less, so it shouldn't be a big issue. I mean, the more extensions the better, as long as it's a good amount. I don't want to play with the themings, because I'm not really sure if I want to play with the themings. I'm actually just going to go ask him right now. I will be right back. Because you can download the themes, and I'm just gonna show them what I have. Alright, that should be good enough. Alright, we're done with that. We got extra themes. I know that I have to do that, and some of the themes are pretty screwed up. I was told that anything started with CS is messed up. I mean, it looks fine to me, because it's basically the Numbix icon theme, and I'm not really worried about that. There's also the artwork. I just like don't want to put any stress under that, because I feel like I could really start to, you know. Well, appears is good, meta good. Well, I mean, I did all I could with the layout. I tried out everything, it seemed fine. I'm just gonna go do a quick round of layout testings, and then I think that since we're done with folder color, then that's actually pretty much it, and we're pretty clean, and then I just need to copy over the repos, and we'll be good. So, yeah, let's do it. So, alright, we've got panel layout. Ooh, traditional layout worked fine. Let's go to the Redman 7 layout. Looked great. Also, the calendar app is pretty nice, not gonna lie. Panel layout again. Cupertino, we already tried. Unity. Yep, Unity layout is better than ever. The Cinnamon Looking Glass is having issues. Says that if there's any troubles, just restart. Should be fine. Widescreen, I'm not really worried about that because it was fine last time. But you can never take chances. Okay, there we go. Panel layout. Alright, and GNOME 2. And works just fine. Alright, yay. Okay, accidentally closed out of my channel tab. There was like one other thing I was thinking. Yeah, the screen reader. Alt Super S. waiting. It's not enabling the screen reader. Is that really a big issue? Because how would the blind people like get it to work?
Screen reader on. Ubuntu 8 colors underscore 20.0. Ubuntu 20. Window. Desktop window. Text. A. D. Backspace. A. Window. Desktop frame.
Alright, well, we don't work.
System settings. Text. Search. Layered pane. Icon. JPace chat sign Joshua Linux system PC micro failed. Tilde frame. JPace chat sign Joshua Linux system PC micro failed. $.
Okay, I thought it was gonna read the whole thing. I named it a Linux system because my grub failed because I was trying to install stuff and I couldn't get the partitions working. And I just couldn't boot into my normal Macintosh system correctly, and it was a problem, so I had to refix the EFI. No.
Window. System settings. Straight pressed. Screen reader off.
Is there like something for the screen reader? Like a screen reader desklet. That's the last thing I want to search, and then I'm done. Oh god. Okay, let's see if there's anything worth looking at. Someone look. I'm very scared to look at this. Because I'm worried I'm gonna find a bunch of extra trash. I mean, well, it's really themes, really. Yeah, it looks like everyone just prefers uploading, like, applets, desklets. There's not really much. Extensions. Not much. If not, it's already on the thing. It's pretty verified, but themes were kind of good here. Okay, now let's go back to spices. I just want to search for that one thing. It was called screen reader, because the screen reader, I'm sort of scared. What's screen locker? Oh, that's not all we need. Desklets. Screen reader. Okay, and extensions. Screen reader. Alright, so I'm gonna go export the changes to the new fixed cinnamon folder color to, the all repository, the stable repository. We are really great for 20.04. It's gonna be a great release, and 20.10 is gonna be even better. Nobody's watching, but even if you were watching for whatever reason, thanks for sticking by, and see you later.